Hi guys! Good morning!
Good morning guys! Welcome
Nag-jogging
to
kami.
our vlog. Yeah.
Pagod ako sa workout namin.
Yes! At alam mo ba ang susi sa pag-workout at pag-jogging?
Yung itaas! Guys, it's been such a successful day. We've been working out for the whole day already, right?
Alam mo, tigil mo ako nagigigil ako sa'yo eh.
Gosh, look at my friends.
Ben, anong Ben? Oh,
Ganda! 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 Well, let me introduce my friends to you. We're just drinking juice right now. Yeah, we're not alcoholic. Yeah. So, meet my friends. There you go. Hala. For the photo shoot ng mga friendship. Oh, diba? For the content. Guys, birthday ni Ate Ping. Batiin niyo si Ate Ping. Happy birthday. Oh. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, panalo ka na. Picture mo siya. Okay, for the photoshoot ng mga person, friendship. Oh, diba? Oh, sorry, pasensya na kayo.
Ganito po yung paano lang.
Yeah.
Kailangan.
Yes, kailangan i-perfect. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Kailangan i-perfect yung mga photoshoot natin dito. Guys, gumawa ng tulong siya dito. Yung mama nito. Yan o, yung mama niya.
Kami gumawa niyan.
Ay, di.
Di tita lang nagsabi.
O, di tita, hindi ka para gumawa niyan. Hey, what is up guys? We are here at Silang, Cavite. So, we're having like bonding with my friends right now. What's the time right now? It's 7:06. Like, oh my god. He has fake nails.
No, don't!
Stop. Extension.
Toys my toys.
Yeah.
May nail extension.
I just want to be a friend to you, a good friend. Do you want me to be a
Are
friend?
you gonna eat it?
You're gonna eat me? Oh,
No.
No.
So what are we doing?
Nothing.
Ano to? Iihaw.
Yeah. It's marinated yan. Fresh from.
The farm.
Yeah. So hello everyone. Ito po yung ano yung tawag sa ano? Ito po si Boy. Ay, Boy. Si Boy. At ito po si Girl. Ate Girl. Dok, hi ka muna sa akin. Hi. Jello, hi ka. At ito po ang aming, nag-work po si Che. At ito po ang birthday boy ka pa din ba or birthday man na?
Boy girl.
It's so cold. So cold. So, nandito kami sa bahay nila Chris sa Cavite. Actually, super lapit na ito sa Tagaytay. Sayang, wala si Omar. Wala rin si Casey. Kasi si Omar may importanteng gagawin. Si Casey naman may work. But yeah, marami pa naman next time. So, I'm just here for the weekend. Sila for sure mag-extend sila kasi holiday ang Monday. Pero ako, I can't. Kasi may burger tayo ng Monday.
Ulog lang eh.
Nasa kalak. Check miss.
Ano yung miss?
Ano miss?
Lembo? Chopping this fairy tale, I don't want to wake up and it's may pag-asa nga ba? So what are we gonna cook today? Baligtad. Kanina nakatapos na yung
viral ngayon, yung sa dancer. Hindi siya tanggap ng pamilya.
Grabe yan, no? Ingat ka sa Dubai.
Bye! Thank you! Gosh! Jerbaloo, jerbaloo, baloo, baloo, jerbaloo, 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 baloo, baloo, jerbaloo, 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 baloo, baloo, jerbaloo, jerbaloo.
Principal ng ito. Kasi bakit po on specific na
Tayo natin.
madali sa modelo. Tuturuan mo yung magbata ng exercise. Anong tawag sa squat? Anong movement pattern ng squat? Anong tawag sa lunge?
Teka, sino ba yung Gerbaloo?